Hello, today I'm reviewing Fiskars Waterwheel XL with wheels. The best thing about this water wheel is that it rotates 360 degrees for extra wide watering area. It has an automatic reel-in with total reach up to 27 meters. With this part right here, you can even extend the hose. I would really recommend this product to anyone that doesn't have enough space for storing the hose and for those who like practical products. So that's all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one.